Turning now to a developing story, the windstorm causing damage to many neighborhoods. You remember this, snow flurries in February. Well, we have seen downed trees, power lines, and people desperate to have their power restored. And Abel Garcia joins us, and I know that you spoke with one family, Abel, that's still waiting to have the lights turned back on.
Tricia, it is truly remarkable and incredible. It's been almost 48 hours since their power went out, and they tell me electricity is something we take for granted.
This is the only thing that's left in my refrigerator.
Sharon Rogers, who lives near downtown Las Vegas, shows us her empty refrigerator
That's in my freezer.
after she threw out all of her food because she's been without power for almost 2 days.
I'm highly upset because food is expensive and we have to go buy out.
Just outside her home, the energy crews working to repair lines and putting in new power poles.
I can't even use my Keurig.
Sharon and her daughter unable to cook or even make a cup of coffee.
At least $300, $300 to $400 worth of food because I keep my refrigerator full.
Rogers is using candles and battery-powered lights. And with the cold temperatures and winter storms, they've been forced to use their car for heat.
It's freezing cold inside here.
Not too far from Sharon's home, where NV Energy is currently working to restore power, is this neighborhood in East Las Vegas where crews are picking up these fallen trees, and you can see just the amount of damage caused by this windstorm. We spoke to an arborist who's been here in the valley for nearly 30 years, and they say the poor soil here in Las Vegas doesn't help during these strong windstorms.
It's really hard for the water to penetrate down deep, right? So when the water doesn't penetrate down deep, the trees will not grow deeper. All the absorption roots of the tree will stay above ground.
Edgar Larios is the owner of High End Tree Services. He says because of the poor soil and high winds, they've been really busy. Since Tuesday night's windstorm, Larios has received more than 20 calls to remove fallen trees. And there are things that homeowners can do or not do to help prevent trees from falling.
Pine trees, that's the worst tree you can plant in Vegas because those are evergreen trees.
Larios says some trees like mesquite, palo verde, and redbush pistache are all great desert trees that provide good shade and are more suitable for our climate. He also says it's important to trim your large trees and keep them thin, allowing wind to blow right through them. And of course, we have a list of more tips to prevent tree damage. Just go ahead and head on over to ktmv.com/saveyourtrees. And 3 schools in the East Valley will also remain on a distance learning plan tomorrow because of these outages. Those are Sunrise Acres Elementary, Roy Martin, and Variety. The district hopes to bring students back to the classroom as soon as possible.